Hi everyone, it's Marisa with Bumblebee Apothecary. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to show you how I make my organic leave-in conditioner. So this leave-in conditioner is great if you're looking for a really pure, safe, natural hair conditioner or hair detangler that has no strange, dangerous, weird, questionable ingredients at all. It's a really simple recipe. It contains filtered water, coconut milk, which, like I've talked about in my hair routine video, which I'll link below if you're interested, that goes over my whole entire hair routine of all of my products that I like to use and how I take care of my hair, basically. So when you want a leave-in conditioner, you want something lighter but still moisturizing. So you don't want something as deep and oily as coconut oil or something like that. You want something lighter. So coconut milk is perfect for this because it has a little bit of the moisturizing properties that coconut oil has without being too heavy and greasy. When you're looking for a coconut milk to use, I like to find one that's as pure and simple as possible. I like to find one that doesn't have any extra ingredients like thickeners or preservatives or anything. You want the ingredient label to say just coconut and filtered water. So that's what I look for when I'm shopping for coconut milk for this recipe. So to that, I like to add bergamot essential oil, which is really nice for taming frizz and smoothing hair and boosting shine and all of that. And since this does end up having water in it, I do use a preservative. I use a really natural one that I found that has no parabens, no formaldehyde, nothing strange like that. It's all natural and safe, and so that just keeps this fresh while it's stored at room temperature. I really like it. It's really great for detangling for kids too. So let's get started making it. So in my jar, my glass bottle rather, I already have my natural preservative. It's a really tiny amount that you need. It's just 1/8 of a teaspoon for this size of a bottle. And next I'm going to add my bergamot essential oil. I'm going to try to get about 24 drops of that, and that will end up being about a 1% dilution in a 4-ounce bottle. I'm using an amber glass spray bottle, and I'm going to link everything below, some sources where you can find these exact same ingredients and equipment if you'd like to try making this yourself. Now that I've got those in there, I'm going to add my coconut milk. I like to freeze my coconut milk in 2 tablespoon portions so that it's easy to get the right amount out. And so you can see some of it wasn't quite thawed, but after that I'm adding my water and it'll come to room temperature and thaw and be just fine. So I'm adding my water just up to the top, being careful to not get too full so it doesn't overflow. I'm going to take the funnel out, and then I'm going to add my sprayer top and just twist that on, and it's ready to go. You always want to shake this well before using because the ingredients will tend to separate out a little bit. Okay, I hope that you found that interesting. Have you ever made any DIY hair care products? How did they turn out? Share in the comments below your experience. It'll be really fun to hear. If you want to pick up a pre-made version, I'm going to put a link below to my shop where I offer this. And if you do end up trying this recipe, let me know what you think of it and how you liked it. I'm going to leave the full written recipe below in the description box. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, hit the subscribe button. I make videos every week on how to make organic, handcrafted skincare and baby products, and I also like to talk about natural lifestyle tips. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.